the only two things that comes to my mind is either they just sell too much that they don't care, or they just manufacture too much that they can't track, or they are just like, we are Vault, we don't care. I don't know. But ladies and gentlemen, this video is about a common problem. It's becoming very common problem with Vault's blade manufacturing process, specifically the sharpening process. So I reported this to Wahl. I sent them videos, I explained it to them, never respond to my email, and and from 3 to 4 days ago, a sequence of events happened that I was like, it's a very good time to talk about it. So let's go for it. Few days ago, a magic clip came here to get boosted. So I changed the motor, packed the battery, changed the mechanism, full walkthrough in the channels available, and it was time for sharpening the blade. I'll tell you what's going on here, but just for now, just pay close attention to the patterns of scratches that you see on this blade. Even on top, just in every direction you have scratches. And I was like, they really didn't fix it yet. It's now here for 3 years, and what Wahl even is doing? Then I went to our store. I checked out all the Wahl clippers that we had, and we had only one corded clipper there. I checked it out. It was a taper clipper, and look at this. It's just brand new, man. Just look at the pattern. Just pay close attention to it. See, scratches in every direction. Then I was like, okay, let me ask other suppliers. Then I called another supplier in Iran, and I asked them, did you sell any Vault clipper recently that the barber was like, it doesn't cut well, and just I can't work with it, I just want to send it back? And it was like, yeah, 2 days ago. And I said, can you send me that clipper? And he was kind enough to do this. There you go, a corded magic clip. Check out the blade. And in addition to that, he sent me the Babyliss Core FX combo and another magic clip to get boosted. Okay, to get boosted. I'll tell you where it's going. So there you go, the blade of that corded magic clip. Check it out. Again, random. This is brand new. Got all that scratches. I'll tell you where we are going with this. You see? So then I was like, it's very bad. I should make a video about it. So let me sharpen the blade of that magic clip that comes with this package that came here to get boosted, and show it to you what the sharpened blade looks like. And I looked at it, and it was like this. Again, I just was like, what the hell is going on here? Again, see? Look at the patterns. Scratches all over the blade. It's just brand new, man. There you go. They are just, let's see if you can see this here too. No, you can see this here. But I think you can see this. Yeah, it's visible. See this down here? You can see the random scratches on both top and down. You see? So, where we are going with this? Then I was like, okay, let me find another magic clip on another wall. Let me sharpen it and show it to you. Then I just picked the random magic clip from the repair shop, and it was this. No, this is a good one. So it came here 1 year ago to get sharpened here. So let's analyze it. You see, just an in order line, just from down to top. See, just got sharpened good, not perfect. I'll show you why. You see, there is no random scratches. It's just shiny, or the parts that you can see the lines is just from down to top. A very in order pattern. This is the blade that got sharp. So why I say it didn't got sharpened perfectly, because let me tell you about this. You see, these two ends has different reflection of light in compared to here. This shows 1 year ago when we sharpened it, it just got heated up so much that the blade is now kind of bended. So the middle of this blade here and here has less contact point in compared to these two ends on this blade. As you can see, even on this, the middle of this blade is like just has different reflection in compared to these two ends. See? So they don't sharpen it well. I don't know what's going on. This is a perfectly sharpened blade. You see, it's completely shiny. Look at the patterns. It just ignore this. This is from the manufacturer, a failure from the manufacturer. But look at here, just all goes in one direction. See, it got perfectly sharpened. Your blade should look like this. You see, you can see this perfectly here. See, it just very in order lines, just perfectly shiny and good to go. No random scratches. There you go. The important part is here, that the area that cuts. There you go. See, I don't know why they don't fix it. And about the coating, they were. Let me show you this. You know, Wahl is the brand that owns Moser. Okay, so they exactly know how Moser blades gets manufactured. Okay, so this is a Moser blade. There you go. If I just clean it with tissue, a paper tissue, you feel like you just bought it yesterday. Okay, and I just know it for sure. After 30 years, this will remain like this. This is Moser. Okay, this is Moser, and the Wahl just owns it, so they exactly know how to manufacture a blade with this quality. And you never see this problem with Moser. This just random scratches problem. This mess. Okay, so they can fix it, but they just don't care. It seems like they just don't care. And just look at how shiny and new this is. God knows for how long the owner has this. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. But look at the blade. Look at this just beauty and madness. It's just German. There you go. So, you see? Just look at the Wahl's blade now. What the hell is this? Bro, just turned into DLC blade. This is when you buy it. This is what you'll end up with after 2 years, 1.5 years. Just compare it. You see, they can go with this quality. They surely can go with this quality. They exactly know how to go with this quality, but they just go with this. Okay? And it's not even with this type of plates. Let me show you this one. This is an interesting one. So this got used for let me change a little bit the angle. This got used for 1.5 months. This got used for 9 months. I know you can see the difference, right? This is now a little bit darker now. So the coating is starting to go away. See? Just look at it. Compare it. You see? These little black dots that you see on this, you see? There you go. The coating is going away just slowly compared to this one. It just much healthier now. There you go. This is the quality of the coating of Wahl. Maybe it's $1 billion company. I don't know. It surely is. After 100 and I don't know, 10 years, or 20 years. And what else was it? Where is the goat? 15 years of usage, ladies and gentlemen. Titanium coating. Titanium coating. Not even a scratch. Working just perfectly. Look at that. Just madness. There you go. They should care much more about their blades. You know, they just mastered the design. They just mastered the quality, but they just don't want to do it. They just don't want to do it. Yep. This is a report to Wahl about. Wahl is my favorite brand. Okay, if it was another brand, I won't talk about it. I just don't care. I care so much about Wahl. I want them to be just manufacture the best products. I made this video because I just care too much about Wahl's product. I just love this brand, and it's just heartbreaking to see this. It's just simple stuff about their sharpened blade. They have a much higher quality stone in compared to us. It's just 0 and 1. The 0 is this. The 1 is this. They just has the best tools, the perfect tools, but they just like, maybe we shouldn't care. You should care. So yeah. I wanted to talk about this for a long time. I thought I should report this. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.